If you're undecided about the best upholstery to use for your family, then here are my recommendations. And she's asking specifically for Pottery Barn, but these kind of go for any type of brand. So first up, if you have a dog, you're going to want to go with leather. And leather because their hair easily wipes clean, so does their slobber. If their nails scratch the leather at all, it'll either blend in and completely disappear, or it just becomes part of the leather and it's not distracting like a tear would be. If you have cats, you're going to want to go with their plush velvet or their everyday suede, which is actually their most stain resistant. And the reason why is, for some magical reason, the cat claws don't like to pick at this fabric as much, and the fabric is so tightly woven, it won't poke holes through it. So this is the most cat-friendly fabric of all the fabrics. Now, if it's just humans, go with this umbrella for sure. But actually what you're looking for, if you want a stain resistant, is 100% polyester fabric, because anything will be able to clean it. But most importantly, if you're considering ordering through Pottery Barn, purchase through Design Broker, because on average you're going to save $600 to $900.